Our surveillance mechanisms are in place to ensure that we are able to pick up on any cases that may enter our country. Our healthcare workers are practicing what we know as the high index of suspicion, so that if anybody would come into the country and they have symptoms that are consistent with the disease, they can be identified, they can be isolated, and they can be treated accordingly. We, as a country, learning from the experience of COVID, have put in place isolation facilities. For example, we have trained our healthcare workers, whether it is in terms of surveillance, whether it is in terms of case management. We have the emergency medical teams on the ready to be able to respond should cases, for example, make their way to Namibia.